Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my LipMonthly subscription. So inside there's a card, welcome to the November 2019 bag. It's that time of year again when the days begin to get shorter and the weather continues to get cooler. This month your bag includes 3 amazing lippies and 1 non-lippy from some of our favorite brands. Cute. So, first up from, I guess it's Trifle Cosmetics, Jelly Juice. This is Tinted Lip Glow. Very cute packaging. All sorts of little colorful stuff on there. And that's what that looks like. Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow. So we'll see what color it is. Oh yeah, that's definitely tinted. Actually, it's not too bad once you rub it in. At first it looked like it was going to be really dark, but not bad. Next up we have Peony Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub. That's what that looks like. And this is our non-lippy product. It's an eyeshadow. And 100 Alice Matte is the color. Whenever I think of Alice, I think of Alice in Wonderland, so I'm like, is this going to be a blue or what color? No, that's actually a neat color. It's kind of reminds me of like a military green. And it is matte. Very nice. I like that. And then the very last item is Lord & Berry, and this is her crayon lipstick. That's a really nice shade. And those are the items I got this month. This is only the second month that they've done the non-lippy item, and I kind of like that. So you're still getting several lip products and then a non-lip product. So not bad, pretty cheap and affordable subscription. If you guys are interested, I have a link below and a playlist in case you want to see what I've got in the past. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.